So everyone, so finally gonna get this changed out. We're gonna, instead of these black ones, I went to the junkyard and found another Chevy truck that actually has white painted ones. So I got all four. So I'm gonna do that. The back one, this one's super easy, that one's super easy, and then the front driver is pretty easy, but the hardest one is it's this one. It's a pain to get to. You just need a 10mm wrench. The sockets will fit in every single one of them and the extensions, but for some reason that's this part right here. I think once I get to it you'll see it's kind of hiding behind some plastic pieces and you can't get into it unless you get like some wrench so you can put it in there. But yeah, we'll get there and I'll show you how to, we'll get there and see how we can get it off, because I forgot where my 10mm wrench went. So we'll take a look. Hey everyone, so I'm trying to get the door panel off. So what you need to do is obviously pop this part out, just pop them out. Then you gotta take this one out, and then you gotta take your door switch off or out, and you just use a flat blade screwdriver to pop it out. But that's basically what it does. And I've seen videos where they pop this out, but it's not connected to anything, it's just there. And then you need your 7mm right here, and then one right there. Okay, so we got off. All you literally got to do is just pull up and it'll come off. And like I said, this little reflector, I can show you. This little reflector, there's nothing in it, so you don't need to pop that out. On these, the newer ones, I guess. Put that there. And then, let me get you in a better spot. Take off the water shield, splash shield, or whatever they call it. And then you're gonna, there's these screws right here. So if I can get you in there more. It's right there. These are all plastic. There's one, two, and then there's gonna be one up here somewhere, up here on top. Take that off. Disconnect these rods. I don't know if you can see them that well right there. Just like the tailgate. Push them out, and then that should pop out. Oh man, I got them on. It's super easy job. Obviously I gotta put it back together, but now just reverse what we did. Take off these 3 nuts, plug that back in like the tailgate right there, slide it in, that's it. And put it on. And that's it. So we got the front one out, or I mean the rear. And now all I used on the rear was a 10mm and a 7, an extension and ratchet, and then I can't find my small screwdriver or flat screw, but I got that out with, it's kind of bent. But I got this out. So now you gotta do is take off that little plastic piece with some flathead screwdriver, and it's a Torx bit. Then you gotta take off this little one that comes out, a little tree thing, and then gotta take off this. Then there is, I think it's a 7. Yeah, it's a 7 right here and right here, and then you gotta pop this out too. Pull that one out. Take that out, and then your 7, and then pull the door. Make sure you got that out too. To get this one out, there's a hole right here. You'll see through one. It goes in there and goes there, and then you get one through here, which is the top one, and then the hardest one's like right here that you need a 10mm and try to get it out. But let's get these ones out, and then I'll try to show you where the other one is. So the other one, I don't know if you can kind of see, let's see. Let's see. It is right there. You can see it right there. It's behind the glass. See if I can get my finger in there and I'll show you. It's right there. You see? So it's kind of sucking. That's why it's good to have a 10mm. Okay, so you might want to be like figuring out like, oh the hell, how am I supposed to get this freaking thing off through here? Because you're trying to figure out how to get to it. So kind of what I did was, you know, obviously get a 10mm wrench, but to finally get that one out. But it's easier if you get all those bolts on, pull it out, and then unhook it. And then you can just pull it out. Come on. There we go. And now we will put this one on and we're good to go. Hook it back up and reverse. So it turned out great. It looks a ton better than having those black ones. But literally this whole thing this is the worst side. The front passenger is the worst. Driver is as easy as driver rear, and passenger rear are all super easy. But it's just it's that bolt right here is the worst. But yeah, you need an open just wrench to get to it. If you had a ratcheting one, that's the best to work easy, because obviously it's done. But just kind of wipe the door down, but everything works like it's supposed to. Locking and locking. But other than that, I mean, like one of the other hardest part was literally this light bulb fell out in here and kind of fish it out. But other than that, it went pretty smooth. Opens, closes, nothing wrong with it. But turned out great. It looks a lot better than just those black stock ones. But that's one of the first of many things I'm going to color match. I'm going to do the mirrors, but I'm going to get the new mirrors, the 2015 ones. I want to do switch back LEDs in the mirrors, then color match the grill, and then the bumper. Comment below. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I just want to do the chrome part white or do the whole front bumper white, which looks a little better than me. It looks a little better to me, but I don't know, because I'm gonna do the for sure. I'm not gonna do the plastic piece on the rear bumper, but just the chrome on that one. So I'm like, But comment below, like, share, hit the notification button, and I'm hoping to get one more or a couple more things done. And once you get done with for the performance stuff, I will be doing a lot more faster, more videos, because then they'll be cheaper and not so expensive. But I'm definitely gonna do like a bed line, this, and just a bunch of other stuff. But it looks great. So like I said, comment below, like, share, turn on that little bell, subscribe right there. Do what you need to do. Get you more videos. Thanks for watching.